Okay, I'll do part 2 of this list. This DYL, I actually like this. This was one that I looked at confirmation getting in, and I'd still look at this. I like what it looks like. It's in an uptrend, which we haven't seen in any of those previous stocks, but at least we've got this confirmed uptrend, and we've had this little bit of consolidation after that period, that push up there. We've had this pullback, and now we're looking for a confirmation here. If we don't get it in the next 5 days, I wouldn't. Well, the further away it gets from the actual swing low, the worse it is. I'll be looking at it on Monday to get the swing low and go in. The confirmation, and take the trade. You know, like the DYL. Go EHL. Yeah, another good confirmed. See, now we're getting into these uptrending stocks, which is, in my opinion, what you should be trading. Stocks going in the direction of your trade. So there's an entry here, there's an entry here, and you'll be looking for some sort of confirmation. There's a swing low there, so you would need a confirmation to get in here. But yeah, not a bad looking trade. It's the only thing you need to be careful of is it's got some resistance here, so maybe worth just letting it push through here. Maybe one to keep an eye on though. GRR is next. I'll just reset that. Yeah, pretty much speaks for itself. Going sideways, not wouldn't be my favourite trade. Certainly good for a bit of a range trade. There's money to be made. All these ranges. Yeah, its pullbacks are, yeah, what we got 2, 4, 6, 18, 13 days there, similar there. So we're if it sticks to this range, obviously we're going to go. We've got another few days down, but maybe it'll break out of its range. If it breaks out of its range, it needs to go above this this high here. So I'll wait for some other confirmation there. You know, it's worth the trade. Get in, put your stop losses in, see if it goes. It's certainly it's worth a punt with a tight stop loss. I'll add one in here that KB hasn't got, which is GIR, one of his favourites actually. I quite like this pattern. It's just given the swing low, and now we just need a confirmation tomorrow, which will push it up over this high. These highs, if you get a 3-month high, which this would be if it breaks above here. It'll be a 3-month high. It's a good sign that the stock is fairly strong. So, but it's obviously got a bit of resistance. Just pushes on through, but again, worth a trade and with a tight stop loss, with confirmation, of course. ICN. Yeah. I don't know where this has come from. Yeah, I wouldn't even entertain this one unless there's some sort of other information hanging about somewhere. But it's just not doing anything. Volumes and nothing for 900,000, but it's from April. It's done nothing. Why would you? LNG. Yeah, there's a nice little uptrend and caught on the caught here. Would have been nice to have got in there. Nice little pullback then, and we got this pullback. Well, this is about of that total range. I'll say that looks. What are we looking at here? Yeah, so we're looking at it bouncing off the 38 fib. So. Oh, what's it doing there? So that's quite a sharp turn down. I would, and with that bar, there's a pattern called the witch's hat, which looks like it's going to form. It's getting back to that sort of level. It's in the right. It was in the right direction. This needs to confirm that it's a pullback rather than a reversal. And at the moment, that's looking like a reversal. MCR. Well, it's slowly going up, sort of in the rightish direction. Would have made money at these entries. I don't see an entry there myself. It would. You'll see there that there's a sell been triggered, and I think that's probably not a bad call. We're probably going to go down to this 190ish mark again. We've got the bearish bar. It's an inside, well, almost an inside bar there. Yeah, we're in. Yeah, see, we're getting toppy. It's there was a tops tried to push through this area 3 times now and failed. So you'll be looking at sort of a confirmation or some sort of some sort in this type of area here. MPO. Yeah, as you can see, I've had a little look at this, and yeah, it's got some interesting. Just putting a few lines on there. We seem to be coming to some sort of crescendo. I quite like what it's done. It's broken this. It's broken this trend line. It's broken that trend line. So, and even if you're looking at the stocks, it's broken here as well. So it's also triggered a buy signal, but and you see the bow tie just confirmed as well. So yeah, I'll take a punt on that. I've traded this stock quite a lot actually, and around these figures. It tends to bang around this sort of mark. You'll see that I was playing with this overall trend down, and seeing whether that's a reversal coming in. It's a bit of bottom picking here, but I'll probably take the punt on this due to just how I've traded it before. NMS, I've been through this a few times, so I won't do that one because I'm running out of time. POS, yeah, another one. A lot of these are just bottom picking, and it's sort of the same as MPO, but the range isn't as good. Again, so as I said in the earlier video, there's plenty of systems out there that can trade this type of move going down and going up, but the going up ones will tend to stick to the system. REF, and I'm going to be out of time, but REF, yeah, see, REF doesn't look bad. Well, so it doesn't look bad. This is a bit erratic, but if you got in, this is a micro double bottom, you could have got in there and you would have been okay, but it didn't confirm till here. Yeah, it's there's nothing that stands out in most of these. A lot of the GIR and DYL will be my two picks.